Hey guys, welcome back to Ethan and George. Guess what I brought today? Well, you see, Lightning Digital AV Adapter. So this simply converts Lightning to HDMI and Lightning, so you can get it to the TV at the same time, and it's a pretty nice accessory. Example, you go to a hotel. It's very nice, but the only problem is you want to watch a football match and you forgot to bring your Mac. So this helps. And if you also brought an HDMI cable, it's even better. Plug it into the TV in the hotel room, get this on your phone, and watch it on a widescreen TV. Let's get to the unboxing. I'll be doing a demo soon. And I'll be doing a demo of VGA. So, very satisfying little tab here to lift. Yeah, super nice. So, you just pull this. Nice. Here you see a little tab here. Here the adapter itself. Oh, it's actually pretty small, pretty dang small. I thought it would be much bigger. Hey, I'll give you a comparison with my finger. It's only about half of my finger. Like, yeah, it's so small. And you're paying for the design. Let's see what else is in the box. Warranty. Sorry about that. Oh, it wobbles. FCC. No more. Let's get to the adapter, the good part. So it's very satisfying. Just pull this little tab thingy out. Very nice. Just do that. Huh. Very cute adapter. Look at this. Look at this. Looks so cute. Hey, cutie baby. Just kidding. So let's do a review of what's in the box. The adapter, FCC, warranty. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. I'll be doing a demo soon. I'll be also doing a demo of VGA in 2018 soon. So, I'll record it tonight. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video that I'll be recording tonight. Bye.